بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Now that you know the short vowels and the Tanween, it's time to start reading basic words. The first letter has a fatha. It reads A. What's the next letter? It's joined. What has a dot on the bottom? Ba. And it has a fatha. So it reads Aba. And this reads Dan. What's the alif at the end? That's just the way you write it when a word ends in two fathas. So the word reads A, Ba, Dan, Abadan. Next example. The letters all have fathas on top. What's the first letter? It's a Kha. What's the second letter? Is it an alif? No, it can't be because we said the alif cannot join another letter after it. Therefore it must be a lam. And the last letter is a qaf. It reads KhaLaQa. Very good. Don't forget from lesson 1, we said that these two letters are heavy letters. So this is Kha and not Khe. And this is Qa and not Ka. Now a common mistake people usually do in this word is to pronounce the lam heavy. So they will say KhaLaQa. That's wrong. It is KhaLaQa, not KhaLaQa. KhaLaQa. Next example. Safara. What's this letter? If you look back at lesson 1, it is the Taa Marbutah. Let's read the word with all the vowels. Safaratin. Safaratin. There is a special case where a word that ends in the Taa Marbutah changes to a ha sound when we stop at the word, but we will learn this later on. Next example. What's this letter? It's a ha. It reads hu. The next letter is a meme. It reads ma. Hu ma za tin. Huma zatin. Great. Okay, next example. What's this letter? It's a kaf, and that's how it is written. It reads Kufuwan. Kufuwan. Sometimes a word is written like this. It reads Tu-wan. Tuwan. But what's this symbol? Sometimes for the purpose of writing, at the end of a word, it is written either with an alif or with this symbol, but is read the same. Tuwan. Okay, this looks easy. But what's this letter? Is it a meme? No, that's a ayn. It reads Faa'la. Fa'ala. Let's change it a bit. What does it read now? Fu'ila. Fu'ila. Okay, great. Okay, this one is a tricky one. First letter reads Qu. The second letter reads Ri. What's the third letter? Is it a Ya? Remember in lesson 1, we said that the Hamza can sit on its own or any of these letters. So whenever you see this symbol, it is a Hamza. So how do you pronounce the Hamza? Easy. If it has a Fatha, it is A. If it has a Kasra, it is I. And if it has a Dhamma, it is U. This Hamza has a Fatha. So the word reads Qur'ia. Qur'ia. Okay, last example. This reads Qasamun. Qasamun. Sometimes the two dhammas are written like this. Great work.